Alright. Hello everyone. It's probably super fucking like shit, but hey guys, today me and a couple of mates are gonna go to a car meet. It's currently 4 o'clock. I'm on my way to Greg's house, ghostheart if you don't know. So yeah, we should be pretty good. Vlog on the way to his house because I can't drive and do P plates. Speaking of which, I should put my P plates up. Fuck. Motherfucker. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello my boy.
Hello.
And boys and girls. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? You got your monster?
Yeah, there's a bunch. Wait, I saw like a bunch of like cool cars like on the way here.
They're probably all getting ready.
Yeah. There was like a couple. There was a couple old ones and like a couple like. Yeah, I just cleaned one.
There we go.
Oh my god. Alright, so we're just waiting for like it's 4:30, so waiting until 5 o'clock to go meet one of our friends at like just car park, and we're gonna have dinner and then we'll go to the meet at 6. So gotta wait now. Why are you here? Why are you here for? Because I got bored.
My whole car. You should have seen how long I spent cleaning my car. Yeah, I feel I cleaned the wheels before and shit. Like the first time. And then I air dried my car with the first time.
I spent a solid hour on mine.
I air dried my car with the first time.
Of course you did.
Your neighbours love me.
Yum. Alright, we're going to the car meet now.
Oh yeah.
Alright,
car meet.
So we're going to Cars and Coffee Melbourne, which is like a car meet. We have these two cars here. This is Luke's car, not this one, that's Greg. Luke's car is a Golf R32, 6-cylinder. It's pretty fast, 6 seconds. That guy's definitely going. This is my car here, Subaru Impreza RS. It's only 4-cylinder because of the road rules, P plate legal rules and stuff. That's my car, stop that.
One more ride, one more race. We go all out, we don't play. One more ride, one more way. We don't slow down, ain't no breaks. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight. It don't matter what we face. I'ma go off, I'ma ride tonight. I'm the master of my fate. I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off, I'ma go off. Yeah, I gotta go now. Taking off and I'm riding on the road now. Hit the gas, no brakes, gotta go now. Put my life on the line, yeah, it's on me. Blood rushing through my veins, no IV.
That's S13? They're all leaving, I think.
Christ.
What the fuck?
Fucking
Relax.
Jesus.
It's just an S3. Dumb bitch. Fucking relax, bro. Speeding around.
So many nice cars here, and she's just like.
No, look, she's speeding around like a fucking man. She's gonna hit someone.
So yeah, we finished the meet. It was pretty good, I reckon. Good, Greg?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
I liked it.
I rated it. Like, there's a couple of nice cars. Like, there's a lot of RS, like Ford Focus RS.
There's heaps of Fords and like.
There was
Golfs.
so many, and Golfs, yeah. But yeah, I rate. Probably record downshift.
Yeah, downshift.
Luke, no, Greg won't be there because it's his birthday party.
It's my birthday.
It's his birthday.
Party.
Yes.
A few days before I get my license. Let's go.
Greg will be 18 and he'll be able to drive. What the
Yes.
fuck? Yeah, thanks for watching. Fuck. What else? Thanks for watching.
Like and comment and subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment. Do a little subscribers.
Subscribers.
Subscribo.
Drop a subscribe.
Drop a subscribe.
Drop a subscribe.
And I'll probably record downshift and upload that. And if anything else interesting happens, which probably won't before then, you will see that. So,
Yes.
peace.